So I'm Olly Harrison. I'm stood now in a field of summer barley. What is summer barley? This is a field of barley that was drilled on the 28th of June. After we'd harvested the first crop of winter barley. So it's mid-September now. We're hoping end of September, maybe the first week of October, we'll be able to harvest it. I'm hoping it's going to do around 2 tons to the acre. So we cut the first crop of barley on the 27th of June. It yielded rubbish because this is quite sandy land on the banks of the river, and it died. So we then the next day drilled barley. So it's a spring barley variety. We drilled it on the 28th of June, and I'm hoping that by the end of September, beginning of October, we'll be able to harvest it. And I'm hoping it might do 2 tons to the acre. But even if it only does a ton, it's still okay because it's had 600 kilos of fert on a 20-acre field, which is nothing. And we only did that because the bag burst in the yard, so we thought we'd put it on here and see how it got on. This is the 4th time I've done it. I've various different successes. I've combined it 3 times out the 4. Sorry, I've combined it twice out the last 3 years. This is the 4th year I've done it. Last year we cut it on the shortest day. I think it was the 21st of December. Didn't yield particularly well. It was on a different field, and it was drilled a month later than this was. So this is the best chance of actually getting a commercial yield out of it, something that's worthwhile doing. The crop that I never harvested though totally transformed the soil structure, and when we drilled the beans in the spring, it was amazing. This field's a totally different feel now. I think most of the compaction we get around here is from summer rainfall, not actually winter rainfall. When we harvest it, we're probably going to trop the straw because straw doesn't seem to be worth much at the moment, and it'll give a bit of ground cover. Then in probably February, March, we're going to drill this with spring beans.